Hello all my gorgeous. Today we are going to show you something really different, really beautiful, deep colors with contrast matching border and blouses. So the most advantage of the sari is like who all can wear the sari. Whoever loves cotton, whoever loves tassel, whoever loves to stand out of the body little bit can absolutely go for the sari. The fabric is a semi-cotton by tassel look kind of thing. So it is easily pleatable as well. And the most important aspect is zero maintenance, which is very important. And I love this feel and the flow of the sari is so light and very beautiful. Alright, let's see the colors and collections. So the first sari in this, like same to same how I am wearing, it's a different deep maroonish kunguma color like kind of thing it is called as, and with a contrast matching green. So you have got this pallu part for this. Let me open the entire sari and show you guys so that you can understand better. See, this is our all-time favorite sari, one among the all-time favorite sari, and this is the pallu part for this. And yes, you have got this contrast matching blouse. The colors in this are so cool and mind-blowing. And the third color, that is this the first one, second and third is a mustard yellow with this deep green color, and the fourth color is this color I wanted to open and show you guys. It's a kind of apple green with a contrast matching pinkish red kind of thing. It's a subtle one basically, and you have got this getty jerry borders on either sides. And then the next color in this is this. So we have got beautiful color combination, of course. Orange, it's a fire orange with this purple based, and this color is also so cool. Yes. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. The show is going to be super colorful. Alright, this is the entire sari and this is the blouse part for this, and you have got this contrast matching pallus. Saris are available in our website www.shivanisboutique.com. You can check that as well. Alright, and see, this sari is so nice. Look of the sari is like a patta sari because of the border. See the border, you have got the rectiped kind of border, but it is not, it's all semi, okay. And this is the small border at the top, and this is the pallu portion for this. And the amazing part is the jacquard blouse. It's a mix of north and south kind of. I love this concept completely. And the second sari in this is a red with wine color combination. Next, the most important aspect of the sari is this border concept. It's a multi-hued border and completely different. Guys, whoever you're giving, going to a conference, giving a lecture, so for all these things, it's a kind of mini thing, not a very huge one. Small little functions you can wear because it's a mixed fabric. Alright, and this is the pallu part for this, and the second color in this is this. See this, so nice and elegant, and the grey blouse will be there, and the third color in this is this. So you have got three beautiful colors. The last sari concept in this episode is this. Something I like very much in the sari because it's a mix of north and south. How? See the border? It's like a kind of rectiped border. So this is the border which comes on the top, and this is the pallu part, and you have got this jacquard blouse. It's a Banarasi jacquard. So it's something really nice and pretty, right? And you have got beautiful colors in this. The second color is red with magenta. It's a deep maroon with a pasipacha green, and this maroon is different, and this is different. This is a coffee brown with this green, so beautiful. And the last color is a purple with this beautiful amazing yellow shade. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing the collection. Same to same collections are available in our branch Shivani's Boutique KK Nagar. You can straight away go there, come here however you wanted to. We do shipping across India. It's a free shipping, and we do shipping globally. We'll be back with lots and lots of beauties. Bye bye.